Today I'm here in Southwest Cape Coral to introduce you to this beautiful new construction Gulf Access home. This channel focuses on everything to do with living in Southwest Florida. If you're thinking about buying, selling, or just have questions, call or text me at 239-450-5786 or click the link below to schedule a free informational Zoom call. Cape Coral is home to some of the best Gulf access boating homes here in Southwest Florida. Today I'm going to take you on a tour of this beautiful new construction home here in Southwest Cape Coral. This home is currently listed by my broker, Realty One Group MVP, and is currently available for showings and sale, of course. So if you'd like to schedule a tour or you want more information, call or text me 239-450-5786. Let's go ahead and take this tour of this beautiful 3-bedroom, 3-bath, swimming pool, 3-car garage, Gulf access home. As a realtor that specializes in helping buyers with new construction homes, whether it be a home like this spec home or a home that's in a new community with an HOA and amenities, I help buyers figure out how to clear the clutter of all the new construction that's here in Southwest Florida and figure out which is the best home, best community, and style of property for you and your family. Give me a call or shoot me a text or click the link below to schedule a free informational Zoom, and let's have a conversation about what best fits your needs. Well, there you have your tour of this beautiful new construction Gulf access home here in Southwest Cape Coral. If you'd like to schedule a private tour or want more information, you can click the link below, or you can call or text me at 239-450-5786. If you found this video informative and helpful, like it, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell to be notified about all my future videos. Once again, thank you for joining me on this home tour, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.